origami box, and it's full of origami and apparently stickers. So I'm gonna get some paper out, and I'm gonna teach you how to make this cute little dinosaur. I mean, look how cute that is. Look at his face. Look at that. Okay, I've only made this once, but I'm gonna try to teach you anyways, because we're all learning together, right? Okay. So let's choose some paper. What would look like a cute dinosaur? I want it to be green. It's a T-Rex, so that. I want to make it bigger. Just bigger paper. The biggest paper I have. Put it square. Ooh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look good. Look at that one. Okay, there's my dino paper. Now, with that, there. So, here's my paper, and let's get started on with the dino. Okay, so first step, we're gonna make it into a diamond. So, it's kind of like a frog shape. It's like the frog, if you know how to make that. Cool. I don't, but it's similar to it. So I probably could. Okay. You're gonna fold it into, line it up, a triangle. There, triangle. And then you're gonna fold it in half. There. Now you're gonna unfold it. There's a lot of folding in this, I'm sorry. Then folding it hot dog style. And then you're folding it in half this way. Is that a hamburger? I don't even remember. And so into square. And then you're unfolding it. And now we're gonna take this, and you push it, and you go down, and then you're gonna push it back. So there's a crease right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there. And then down. So once you got the first one, it's easy to do the second one. So you got that, and then you're just gonna push this one down, and push. You can just take this. And there is your diamond. And see, it, there. You're just gonna leave it like that. But there is another way. So you have it like this, your paper's like this, and then you just fold it in half and you push it like that. And then that's how you do it. Yeah. There's your diamond. Now, step 2. So, where is this yellow coming from? I don't even, there we go. Okay, you have it here, and you're gonna fold it in. So there's a line right here. It's creased. So you're gonna fold it in, crease it, and you're leaving this flat. And then you turn it, and you fold it in. We're gonna make it into a kite kind of thing. Then you turn it over and you do the same exact thing. Okay, so now I have it like this, and I'm going to fold this in and fold it the other way like this so it moves. And then you're going to unfold like this, and you're going to pull it up. You pull it up. And you're going to be, so now there's creases here and creases here. And so this bends back, and these can fold it in. So you're going to fold them in like this. Trying to get it as even as possible. There. Then on the same side you open and you pull back, and then you fold in. and then you try to get it as exact as possible. Okay. There we go. Okay, so next step. What did I do to this? Oh, okay. Oops. Okay. So you have it like this, and you can choose either side. You're gonna fold one side back down, so it's the kite thing again on one side. Then you turn this side, and you're gonna fold it in like this, and then you're only gonna crease to like right here. And then you open, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So turn it. So you're gonna fold in, crease to right there. Now you have it like this, and there's like this little fold, and you're gonna like this, and fold it down. So right here, it's creased. Push together. Now it's like this. And now you fold it in half. Okay? Alright, so you have it like this. And you're gonna open it and push it down like this. Like that. And then you're gonna close it back. Back to this. So it looks like this. And this is gonna be the head. You want it to come up a little bit. And then you're gonna tuck, it kind of looks like a beak right now, so if you're making a bird, I guess that would work. We're making a dinosaur. So we're gonna tuck a piece in like this, and then fold it back down. So there's the dinosaur's head, like that. Then, on to the next step. So, now I like this, and we want to do his little hands. So you open this, and you see how this part, you're just going to push it in. No, wait, what did I do? Oh, okay. You push it in a little bit, and then you pinch it, so a little piece is sticking out like that. See? Like that. So we have his head and arms. So we're going to bend, there's 3 flaps like this. We're going to bend 2 of them now, like this. Crease, turn it over, crease it. Like that. Don't want it to do that. Okay, it's not staying because it's not liking me. But you can have this piece and then turn it in like that. This way. Take your nail, say like that, and then
Yes, I have to finish editing this video.
there's your little dino. Look at it. It's adorable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more origami videos. Because look how cute he is. Roar, 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 roar.